Welcome to TechTether. How to log into Asus router. Make sure your device is connected to the Asus router. First, connect your computer/laptop, mobile device/smartphone, tablet, or PC to the router's Wi-Fi network or use an Ethernet cable to establish a wired connection. Open a web browser. Launch your preferred web browsers like Google Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Make sure you are using the latest version of the browser. Access the Asus router login page. In the browser's address bar, type the default Asus router's IP address, typically 192.168.1.1. Now, press the Enter button to load the Asus router login page. Enter the login credentials. On the login page, you will see fields for an Asus router username and password. Here, you will need to use the Asus router default login credentials. Enter admin in the username field and password in the password field. In some cases, the password may be admin. Access the settings. After entering the correct login credentials, click the Login or OK button. You will now be logged into your Asus router's web-based interface, where you can configure various settings and options. You will now be logged into your Asus router's web-based interface, where you can configure various settings and options. Thanks for watching.